How to transfer contacts from one Gmail account to another. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Contacts app on your device. Here, click on Organize at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down, you'll find Export to File. Click on Export to File. Then select the account you want to export from and press on Export. After that, press on the name. You can edit the name if you want, then press on Save. After it's saved, above Export to File, you'll find Import from File. Click on it. Then select the account you want to import to. Then select the contact you just exported earlier. And it will be imported in this way. This is how to transfer contacts from one Gmail account to another. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.